This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by tina.mabry. FAUCETT Creekfront Lot in the Mountain Creek Hollow offers close to 100 feet of beautiful waterfalls. This exquisite mountain community features a landscaped entrance, covered bridge, walking paths, butterfly garden and community creekfront pavilion. Conveniently located between Ellijay and Jasper, come see for yourself why this lot is the perfect blend of nature and the conveniences you need for your building your mountain home. For more information, review the details below or contact tina.mabry at 706-273-4317